just over the halfway point now, 6th in the table, closer to the bottom half than the top, obviously. It just feels like if they have another draw or even a defeat or even a draw at Oriel Park, that the pressure will come up to new levels for Tiernan Lynch.
I think every week is a referendum on Tiernan Lynch for Derry City fans, and I'm always conscious when you talk about managers being under pressure, you're talking about people who it's their livelihoods. If Tiernan Lynch loses his job, he's a provider for his family. I'm always conscious of that. There's a human element, but football also is a results business, and I think the Derry fans have given up. They were booed off in the Monday night game. The approach has been very strange the last two games. Derry played without a striker. They have Josh Thomas. James Clark, signed from Bohemians, is not really an out-and-out striker, but they have Josh Thomas, who looked good any time I've seen him. They have Depot, who scored a wonder goal against Shells earlier in the season, who's a real presence. But they've started the last two games without them with a false nine. Derry fans expect their team to play with a bit of a swagger. They certainly expect, some clubs are like that, expect to play with a certain way. You win or lose, but you play with a certain way. You don't start at home to a mid-table team without a striker, and I just think I think it has turned on Tiernan Lynch, and I think unfortunately for him, if Derry don't win, certainly if they lose, I think there is a chance now for that gap where if the board do decide to make a change, they have that time then over the mid-season break to get somebody else in to see where they go. You look at the job that Rory Higgins has done at Coleraine since he left. They will look around for options. So I'm not putting Tiernan Lynch in the managerial graveyard just yet, but they need to win.